Out Season 2. Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 2.
She's so busy eating the ingredients before we start that we don't even have time to say welcome to Time Out Season 2. Anyways, this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
Smoothie Sailing!
Today's smoothie is
Vanilla Dreams.
Vanilla Dreams.
And the ingredients are
Apple, vanilla wafers, vanilla yogurt, and water.
what should we put in first? I'm assuming the wafer since you're eating half of it?
This one.
Yes. Vanilla wafers. Okay, Daria, what's the next ingredient?
Banana.
Apple. Go ahead.
Apple.
Put it in, put it in, put it in. Okay, now some Greek yogurt.
Yeah, Greek yogurt. Let's try it.
Yes.
Let's try it.
Okay, and the last ingredient is water. You can choose not to add water, but I add a little bit because I find the consistency of the smoothie is a little thick, just to thin it down slightly. So I'm gonna add some water in. Okay, Daria, now all the ingredients are in the mixer. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Blend it.
Yes. Okay, Daria, now I'm gonna pour mine.
That's a good idea.
Yes, it is a good idea. Okay, Daria, we're gonna put some cinnamon powder.
Cinnamon powder.
Okay, let's put in some orange straws.
Yeah.
Okay, Daria, now let's stick in a wafer.
Yummy wafers.
Yummy wafers. Let's stick in a wafer. Okay, Daria, are you ready to try this wholesome goodiness?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I try the wafer?
Yes, you can try it with the wafer. So the best part about this smoothie is that you can even serve it at birthday parties since it has all that biscuity goodness in it, and you can serve it in little shot glasses or little tiny little glasses where you can add whipped cream and stick a wafer in there for decoration. So you can have a lot of fun with this smoothie just like we are right now, right, Daria? And if you want to have it cold, add lots of ice and just give it a shot. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. If you have any recipes you want us to try, please go ahead and subscribe and do send them in and we'll try them. Alright, bye!
Bye. Subscribe.
You want to put in some ice?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, can I see what it looks? Can I try it?
No, you can't try it. Put it down. Put it down. Let's pour it.
I want to see its ice.
Okay, Daria, it's gonna melt if we keep playing with ice. Come on. Pour it in.